Hey there everybody, it's Avra. Here at SparkFun, we understand the importance of prototyping, of trying things a million different ways, with small successes and failures that ultimately guide you to an effective end product. That's why we spend so much time smoothing out that process, because your hardware should never hinder the flow of your ideas. That's why we initially developed Quick, to eliminate the time-consuming soldering process, to ensure that your connections are wired correctly, and to enable you to connect multiple devices through daisy chaining. The Quick ecosystem reduces stalling that you might run into. It helps keep your project moving forward. When we developed Quick, it helped solve a lot of problems for our engineers in their own prototyping endeavors, but it still didn't provide enough flexibility. That's why we built MikroMod, to create technology that can be specific and unique for your needs. Carrier boards give access to focused peripherals and functionality, and you can pick whichever processor board you want to work with. You see, the thing is, we can build a product with a specific tool set, like GPS or environmental sensing, but ultimately it needs to be versatile enough to match the thousands of use cases that you all are implementing, and we can't do that alone. That's why we're excited to continue iterating on our prototyping technologies by connecting with other companies' prototyping systems. We're happy to introduce MikroElektronika and the MikroE brand with both the Click and Microbus ecosystems to the SparkFun family. That means that we're releasing hundreds of new boards, and you're getting endless possibilities for switching and swapping out hardware. We're bringing together 4 powerful systems: Click, Microbus, Quick, and MikroMod, to help upgrade your rapid prototyping toolset. So what do you say we take a closer look? Click works similarly to our newest iteration of MikroMod, with function and mainboards. Instead of utilizing a connection like M.2, MikroE invented a socket standard called Microbus, which allows you to connect any Click board to a processor without any wiring. Click boards come in hundreds of flavors, and like MikroMod function boards, are made to address one functionality and feature. So you can add things on like displays or RFID as you build your project in real time, instead of accounting for all that in the beginning. The Microbus standard is just like Quick, a plug-and-play system, but it has more communication pins than just I2C. It has SPI, UART, and I2C communication pins, and there are also single pins for PWM, interrupt, analog input, and reset. And the best part is, these pins are available on every Click board. The ease of use doesn't just stop at the hardware. One of the benefits of using MikroE products is access to their software. They've developed a software platform similar to Arduino called Necto Studio. It's built on top of their Micro SDK, which provides open source software libraries with unified API and software development tools. It also gives you access to each of their Clickboard's specific libraries, examples, and documentation through their package manager. All of your programming can be done through Necto Studio, which you can work with through programmers that MikroE has developed, like the MicroProg for Windows or CodeGrip for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Programmers are essential tools for working with Necto Studio, and the CodeGrip programmer is a particularly innovative piece of technology. It has its own Wi-Fi, so you can set it up wherever you want in the world and still program and debug it from the comfort of your own home. It's particularly useful for projects that are in difficult to reach places or remote locations. And for when you want to take your project from prototype to end-use product, they have a cloud system called Click Cloud to assist in your IoT build-out. The software itself is a beast, but we've created tutorials to help you out along the way and ensure your project runs properly. We'll be releasing hundreds of new MikroE boards in the near future, so make sure to keep on coming back to SparkFun.com to check in on what's new. But in the meantime, I thought we'd take a sneak peek at the boards that we do have. They have 12 main categories that we'll go through. The first category is wireless solutions, with boards like the Wi-Fi Plus Click, which is a compact solution for adding Wi-Fi communication to your project. They also have sensors, with boards like the Compass 4 Click that can measure the 3-axis magnetic fields. The next category is interface, with boards like the Shuttle Click. This board is a socket expansion board and provides an easy and elegant solution for stacking up to 4 Click boards on a single microbus. Then there's mixed signal with the voltmeter Click that measures the voltage in an external electric circuit. It's designed to measure direct current only and has a measurement range from 0 to 24 volts. In the storage category, they have a microSD clipboard, which provides an additional microSD card slot for your projects. Then there's motor control with boards like the stepper click, which enables you to drive bipolar stepper motors with full or half and micro steps. There's also an audio and voice category with a really cool speaker click. It features the Max 9717, an audio power amplifier with a high quality audio reproduction. We also have the touchpad click, which is a part of the HMI category, and it's a capacitive touch input device. Next is clock and timing, with boards like the Clock Gen Click, which is an I2C configurable clock generator. One of my favorites is the power management category, with the Solar Energy Click. It's a highly efficient boost charger and buck converter device designed to work with very low power energy harvesting elements. And finally, there are miscellaneous boards, with boards like the Arduino Uno Click Shield. It's an extension shield for the Arduino Uno that allows you to tap into multiple click devices. The real advantage of integrating MikroE into your project is the sheer number of function boards you'll be able to utilize. Did you forget something small, like the fact that you want to log data to an SD card? You don't have to break down your hardware setup anymore. You can just click in the Click MicroSD board and get on your way. Plus, the programming and debugging capabilities of Necto Studio are extremely powerful and make starting a project a breeze. The MikroE ecosystem can elevate any project you're working on, and the ability to mix and match from all of these different prototyping ecosystems means that you can create over 1 billion different combinations for your project. So what will you begin building? Let us know in the comments, and in the meantime, happy swapping, switching, clicking, and of course, hacking. I went into it, I was like, I know I don't know what I'm saying next. Specific and unique, man, we're getting there, one at a time.
Yeah, that was really good.
Take two.
Yeah.
To help upgrade your rapid prototype. I'm just shook. That was the last 3 words. Okay, this one is it, Cassie, I promise. I swear. That's why we created MicroMod. Nope. We're welcoming oh my gosh. That was so dumb. And you're getting endless of possibilities.
Ooh.
The thing is
Yeah.
Yep.
And
family. Okay, this one's it, I promise.